Welcome to GSL GM City 1720 Boat Trail, Southwestern Calgary, Alberta. Today we got the brand new 2020 GMC Terrain. This is the SLT level trim, powered by the 2-liter turbocharged engine, made it up to the 9-speed automatic transmission, and of course all-wheel drive. Jumping into the very luxurious SLT trim level interior, we do have the power windows, power mirrors, memory seating, and the power tailgate. We do have fog lights on the vehicle as well. Button is located right down here. We do have the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, forward collision warning, cruise control, speak-to-talk, dash, and audio controls piloted from your steering wheel here. Only 7 kilometers on the odometer of the Terrain, as it is a brand new vehicle. Push-button start. We do have the 8-inch touchscreen for nav, audio, and climate controls. Apple CarPlay in there as well. We do have our electronic shifter knobs there. We got our heated seat buttons, as well as our drivetrain selection there, 4x4 system. Beautiful jet black leather interior. We do got the gold stitching. Really love these Terrains. Beautiful leather seats, heated, and that gold stitching in there as well. Now this is a blacked out Terrain, so we do have the blacked out 19-inch rims, looking absolutely killer. Hankook all-season tires on there. SLT trim level, so we do have the color matched door handles and mirror caps as well, all blacked out. Keyless entry, remote start, roof rails up top, blacked out again. You can see the SLT all blacked out. Coming down here, Terrain, blacked out. Looks super clean and pretty sporty. LED headlights, LED tail lamps as well. Power tailgate. You see that trailer tow hitch already installed there. Dual chrome exhaust tips. All-wheel drive badging blacked out as well in the GMC. Again, blacked out. Lots of black features on this vehicle. We do have the rear parking sensors on the vehicle as well. Jumping right back into the interior here, the second row leather bench seat is 60-40 split. We do have the rubberized mats in here as well. Car seat ready, also flip down very fast and easy. Car seat hook there. You got the rubberized mats protecting the back of your seats as well as your trunk area. You can see how much trunk room's really back there, quite a bit. We do have the USB ports and a 120 volt outlet all the way at the bottom there, keeping everything charged. Awesome moon and sunroof opening up the roof of the vehicle, as well as LED lighting. So when it is dark out, not a problem. You got that nice clear white light. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2020 GMC Terrain. If this is your next vehicle, come down and see us here at GSL GM City 1720 Boat Trail Southwest, or shop online at gslgmcity.com.